Part 5 of the Michigan Fireworks Show in Highland, Michigan, to be exact. Hickory Point Lake, around that area. Milford. Okay, here we go. Woo! So, here's the story. We had a firework and the fuse popped out of the firework before we lit it. So, as the risk takers we are, we're going to tape the fuse to the thing. What? And we're going to tape that fuse onto the... Is this the one that with the broken fuse? Oh, so we're going to scotch tape this on the fuse and see what happens. Hopefully the house doesn't blow up. Scotch tape isn't flammable. Bugs. Mosquitoes. Oh, look at this. He's right there. See him? Oh my god, that's so close. That is a firefly up close. Cool. Anyway, back to the fireworks. Here we go. Our lighter, we got a replacement. It now works. And back to the Michigan Fireworks Show.